Okay, so today I'm going to take you with me as I rebuild an Eveready number 467, 67.5 volt battery. All we salvage from this is the connector and the box. The internals are garbage, and inside will end up with these Dollar Tree E-circuit batteries, what you see here. Here are the individual cells which are stuck in there and don't want to come out. So I got to work on that. What I do is I stick a long knife in there and kind of move it back and forth and try to break the seal between the batteries and the case. I'm going to put you down while I do that. This long knife stone from the domestic kitchen knife set is my tool of choice for that. I've used it before. You can see the wax that's accumulated on it. These are covered in some kind of a wax. But anyway, this knife has become just a tool for this purpose at this point. All right, after a bit of a fight, I was able to empty that. So yeah, it was a bit of a fight, but we got that out. The next step in this project is to get these batteries in this orientation so we can tape them. Using a 9-volt connector, I've created this shorted connector to connect these two batteries together. I've opted to leave the insulators on. It's just easier. So if you can see where I'm going with this, I got a shorting block there. Shorting block, shorting block, shorting block. I'm just connecting these batteries all together. So those are now done and insulated. I'm going to put a piece of tape over that. Okay, so now I got to make a connection going across. We'll do that. Okay, so if at this point I've done everything right, I should have a 67.5 volt battery here, let's see. Well, in fact, my friends, I definitely do. I have a viable working 67.5. Okay, so we are assembled. The last step now is I made some spacers here, is to glue this bad boy shut. Make these two connections and glue it shut. So let's do that. We're assembled. We're just ready now to glue the box shut. Okay, so there you have it. My completed 67.5 volt battery for vintage radios. These batteries are common, very common for portable tube radios. This is what is known as a B battery in radio. An A battery would be the filament. A batteries can be D batteries, standard flashlight style. They can be G cells, which are a larger battery, same diameter as a D with more capacity. They can be 4.5 volts, they can be 9 volts, they can be 7.5 volts. It all depends on the radio's design. It also depends on whether the filaments are in series or parallel. Depends on the type of filaments. But anyway, we have a working, viable, rebuilt battery that can be installed in a radio and put into service. And it would look period correct as well. And these batteries no longer exist. You can't go out and buy one at any price. Eveready stopped making them years and years ago. So there you have it. And so to wrap it up, that's what it is. You can see it's holding steady, it's working well, and that can be installed in a radio, and a radio could be made to play. Don't take these old radios and throw them in the garbage because they don't have batteries. You can build batteries. There is plenty of ways of doing it. I use 9 volts here, but you could use CR 2032, the ones that look like quarters. You could use those in an 1850 battery holder. 23 of them will give you just about what you need, and those will work as well. There's many ways to rebuild these batteries. If you look at my videos, you'll see other ones and other styles of rebuild. But here you have it.